This is going to be a quick video on the Great Wall of Fire. It's 5 years later. This thing is awesome, works really, really, really well. It's hot, it warms up the room. This is in my living room. It keeps the living room warm, it keeps the kitchen warm. You get too close to this. I'm actually pretty far away from it filming this because it is so warm. As far as I am, I think about, I'm gonna say about 5 feet, 6 feet away. And the light in my phone went out because it's just too hot. So this is the safest distance I could come up to the fire without overheating my phone. This Great Wall of Fire comes with a vertical grill where you put the fire, you stack them on top of each other, start the fire below, and it works its way up. And it does a really good job. Heat rises, so all the heat goes up, heats up the next log, and so on and so on. All you have to do is keep dropping logs in there. There's an iron piece, a metal piece. I forget the actual material, but you can look at the link below. I purchased this on Amazon, free shipping 5 years ago. It came out to about $300, and this thing works really, really well. Anyone I know who has an open fireplace like I do, and actually listened to me when I had told them to get this, that it's the best thing ever made, are very, very happy. Many of them, like myself, were looking to convert our open fireplace because it really wasn't doing anything. It looked nice, but it wasn't producing any heat. It was very inefficient. This thing is awesome. No smoke in the house. All the smoke goes up because of the way the logs are. No smoke in the home. All the smoke goes right out the chimney. It is really, 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 really warm. It is so hot, warm, and so efficient in producing heat that in the morning when the fire is completely gone, all I have to do is throw a couple of pieces of log, wait about half an hour to an hour, and the metal piece in the back and the grill with the way it's set up is so, and the embers are so hot still in the morning that within half an hour to an hour we got a fire going. I started this fire 3 days ago and I'm still working on the first starting of this fire. All I've done was drop in wood. It works really, really well. I am very happy with it. Let's see how hot it is next to the fire. Here's my thermometer right next to the fireplace. And let's see how long it takes to warm up and see the temperature. It's 8:29. So I'm gonna stop the video here. It's it's over 100 degrees. It's so hot. This thing works so well. It's really, really hot. It gets so hot that to add wood, once you get this going, you have to be careful. I use welding gloves to keep me from getting burned, because you could just be careful. This thing gets really, really warm. It works really, really well, and it gets really, really, really hot. So it's really, it's I am very, very happy with it. It works really, really well. All right, I hope you liked the video. I hope it helps. Thank you. Bye.
Great Wall of Fire Model RF-6 Reflective Fireback 26 wide 15.5 tall. Model M-5 High Efficiency Smoke-Free Fireplace Grate 21 wide 15. Cost $150 each, total $300. Purchased on Amazon's website. Eliminates fireplace smoke problems and increases fireplace heat output. Outlasts typical flat grates several times over. Tens of thousands of units have been sold across the USA. Many sizes available for virtually any fireplace. Made in Litchfield, Connecticut. Product description. Our patented vertical grates solve smoke problems and dramatically increase heat output in troublesome wood-burning fireplaces. These high-efficiency grates allow a magnificent wall of warmth-producing fireplace embers to develop at the base of the grate, while firewood burns slow and controlled above. The vertical design initiates a self-feeding fire which promotes a much hotter and cleaner burn. Located at the extreme rear of the fireplace, our grates force smoke to hug the rear wall of the firebox, eliminating smoke from spilling into the home. Grate Wall of Fire manufactures many sizes of these vertical grates to fit just about any fireplace out there. M-5 Fireplace Grate Dimensions: 21 wide, 14 deep, 15 tall. Constructed of 3/4 solid steel bar. Fireplace size requirements for the M5 grate. The rear wall of the fireplace must be a minimum of 21 wide, the fireplace floor must be a minimum of 16 deep, and the height of the fireplace front opening should be a minimum of 25 to allow adequate clearance to easily load firewood onto the grate. Fireplace construction requirements for the M5 grate. It is important to understand that the wall of fire grate is a one-sided unit. This means that the burning firewood is positioned between the grate and the rear wall of the fireplace. Having the firewood in direct contact with the back wall of the fireplace will significantly increase the temperature of the firebrick and may cause brick and mortar fatigue over time. Because of this, we highly recommend you also purchase our model RF-5 reflective Fireback, sold separately by Grate Wall of Fire on Amazon, to shield the back wall of the fireplace from excessive heat. If you are planning to use a wall of fire grate in any type of factory-built fireplace such as a prefab, zero clearance, or metal fireplace, the addition of a reflective Fireback is absolutely mandatory. Product information. Manufacturer Grate Wall of Fire. ASIN B003NAWG2Y. Enhances the heat output of your fireplace. Made in the USA. Protects fireplace masonry from excessive heat. Many sizes available. Constructed from 1/2 thick steel, not brittle cast iron. One-piece design eliminates the need to buy separate Fireback feet. 30-day guarantee. If you're not completely amazed, return it for a refund. Product description. This reflective Fireback is an extremely durable heat reflector made from industrial-grade shatterproof steel plate. Unlike other Firebacks on the market, this one is not made from low-quality consumer-grade cast iron from a questionable overseas foundry. It will not crack or break if you build too hot of a fire. This Fireback is intended to be placed vertically against the rear wall of the fireplace right behind your existing grate. No fastening or special tools are required. Grate Wall of Fire manufactures many sizes of these reflective Firebacks to fit just about any fireplace out there. Firebacks are used to reflect heat back into the home that would otherwise be lost up the chimney, while also keeping the rear wall of the fireplace significantly cooler. These Firebacks are commonly used in conjunction with our wall of fire grates, but they work well with conventional fireplace grates too. RF-6 reflective Fireback dimensions. 26 wide, 15.5 tall, 1/2 thick steel construction. Integrated feet extend forward 1 3/4 from the base of the Fireback for positive stability. Fireplace size requirements for the RF-6 reflective Fireback. The rear wall of the fireplace must be a minimum of 26 wide and at least 16 high to accommodate the Fireback. The Fireback you receive may either be black, painted, or bare steel. This will be the case until we exhaust our stock of painted Firebacks. Afterwards, all Firebacks will be bare steel and have a metallic finish. We are doing this because the paint burns off during the first fire and has proven itself to be completely unnecessary. Beware of cheap and 3/8 thick overseas knockoffs of this product appearing on the market. These thin Firebacks will warp badly in a short amount of time. Product information. Manufacturer Grate Wall of Fire. ASIN B00H87DZA0.